welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a recording, long overdue. I know I said over the weekend I was supposed to be doing this, but I'm so sorry. Yeah, so welcome back to my channels, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I'm Mosai. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like my video and comment. Share my video with your family and friends. Yeah, so we're gonna dive straight into it. I'm gonna create a nice little colorful look today using my Zulu Juvia's Place palette, and I really wanted to play with this today, you know, just to create just as a little colorful look. And I'm also going to be using my colored Raine Vivid palette. You've seen me use this quite a lot on my channel because I love the way the colors look. So we're going to be playing in this color, and this one. So these are the colors I'm going to be playing. I'm going to be using the pink. The pink is not that bright, but I really wanted to play in like a red. The colored Raine palette has a red in it that is really deep. So this is the red here. So it's really deep. I wanted to play in that one, but hey, let's see how it goes. Alright, so first thing, let me get you all a little closer to me. Coming closer. Alright, so I'm not going to be doing any cut crease, at least I hope so, today. We're just going to be applying the colors, winging it out, making it look pretty. I already primed my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So the first color I'm going to be diving into would be the pink. What am I doing? Brushes are very big. I don't want it to winged out here. Right. Then I'm going to be diving into the greenish color. If you're hearing SpongeBob, it's because my daughter is right in the other room and she believes that she has to listen to SpongeBob extra loud. I'm diving into the pink in the Anastasia of Beverly Hills palette. So this is it here. I'm diving into the pink in that palette. Ooh, go for a loud day, boy. And I'm just blending out. Yeah, that pink worked in the Juvia's Place, and I'm applying the purple at the edge. Right. So here you see what the colors looking nice. I'm just gonna blend the edges using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in the Riera palette. So I'm just gonna blend those edges out. I think the red would look a little better. This I'm going into the red in the colored Raine palette, and I'm just applying it there. Then I'm going into the pink. The colored Raine has a really nice loud pink. You seeing it there? How pretty and loud it looks. Right. I'm just going there. That blue not popping and saying nothing. Kind of blending the both blue together. Back into the pink. Yeah, I think nice idea now. It really look good. So I'm gonna bring the colors down. I was going to cut the crease, do a wing thing, but I think when I made the wing a little bigger, you're gonna see the beauty in the look. So I'm gonna bring the colors down because and then we're going to a much deeper purple. Right, so now I'm just gonna blend the edges out. Right, so now we're just going to blend those edges out. You can probably try yellow. Right, so yellow with a light green onto a darker green. So I can probably try that and see how it looks. Let me try this. Did I just like put thing in my eye there? Darker green onto a lighter green. And then I'm just going to use the yellow. So my liners. I have my Caramia Cosmetics liner, liquid liner. And I'm going to use this to create the wing. And then I'm going to use my Mia Adora Immortal liner pencil. So yeah, I'm going to use these two. I'm using the Mia Adora first because it's a bit dark and I really want this look to be as dark as possible as the lids. And because this pencil doesn't have a point, it makes it a little difficult for precision purposes to really get it where I want the liner to be. So the Caramia pencil is a little more sharper. Here's a point here. My lids are hooded. So there you see the wing, and that's just how I wanted it to look. I could create it a little bigger. I don't know. I think it would hide the beauty of the look. So what I'm gonna do is create the look on the other side, wing it out, add my lashes, and be right back. Alright, so now we're going to do the contouring. I'm gonna be using, I usually use my BH Cosmetics or LA Girl contour palette, but recently I started testing my 39A palette, and I've been liking using these colors for contouring. So this one, and this one. So yeah, I'm gonna contour the hell out of my face. So you see I put on the lashes and the mascara. I have a bad migraine that just came out of nowhere at the side of my head. And every time I tilt it, I'm feeling the migraine pressure. Alright, so, oh. What is that? Yeah, so I'm just gonna contour through all the pain. Oh, a pimple. Where did you come out from, pimple? You'll be starring. Right, so you see the contour looks nice on the skin. I told you I like it for some strange reason. I'll just blend that out. Blending. And where is this strand of hair like doing the most? So back into the same colors that I would have used on my face to contour. I'm just gonna contour this nose, snatch it in. Gonna snatch that nose. Right, snatched. So now we're gonna, oh, I'm shaking up the whole light and the camera, Lord. Doing the most again. So I'm going back into my Sacha matte face powder. This is a translucent matte face powder. And I'm going to use this along the jawline just to give the face a little bit of definition. Right there. And right there. So I'm just gonna blend that out with a blending sponge. Of lately I like using my brush to do this, but I'm feeling lazy to get up and go inside and go and get a brush. Like, now I'm going to use blush. And then yet again, I'm going into one of my Morphe palettes. And it's the James Charles. And I'm going to be using this sort of orangey, yellowish color. And the color right next to it for blush. So I don't want it too high. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. I'm going into the orangey color first. I'm putting that lower down to the jawline of where I put in my what am I trying to do? Use the camera to see what I'm doing, and I'm doing a pack of craziness. Highlights, I'm going to be using any James Charles palette again, and I'm using this for highlight. It's a shimmer color that, you know, for me it lasts right through the day, and it also seems to be my go-to shimmer of lately. Alright, so I added the shimmer. I think I need to put a little bit more. You know, like to be seen from heaven. No. Alright, so yeah, some shimmer here. I'm using a little denser brush. That brush too soft. Yeah, shimmer down the place. We shimming. Oh, nosy. And Cupid's bow. Yes. Right, so I'm gonna also be using the shimmer at the bottom of the brow. So I'm looking for my angle brush, my BH Cosmetics angle brush right now. It's like right on the brow bone. And then I'm going to add just a little bit to the corner of the eye. I'm going to use, this is one of my brushes I got from this girl, Blink by Sue. She has some really nice makeup brushes that could be used for persons who are new to the makeup game. I use them because, you know, I'm already used to, oh, that little gold thing I had put there from this palette before looked good, but I'll bring back into it just to add it here. That looks so good. Look at that look. Doing the most again as usual. Okay. I'm gonna carry down a little bit. Right. Okay. I'm using my Jordanna pencil in Cocoa to line the lips. Go ahead, babe. Go ahead and pat.
You need to adjust that thing, that screen.
And I'm using the BH Cosmetics liquid linen from the Royalty Affair in Nirvana. In, what is that? Maria. I go to say Nirvana, Lord. Right. Oh, this red looking right on camera, Lord. This red looking piping hot.
Mommy.
Uh-huh. Alright, so I went to tone down my lips. It was like that was like too red. It was too red. Oh god, I'm not on the table. That red was just too much. Oh, powder all on my hair. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is set the makeup. I'm gonna use my Revlon set refresh setting spray, fix the hair, and I'm gonna be right back.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is how the final look is. I like how it came out. It looks so cool. So guys, let me know what you guys think about the look. I really like how it looked. It came out so nice and fresh and colorful. Yes, so it's a nice colorful look for carnival, whatever. I always do the most, so to me this is like normal, like just normal. So if you like the look, you have any questions about it, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it, guys. And yes, oh, lips, as I said, I use I had to go and tone it down, so I had to use the BH Cosmetics liquid linen, and I used it in, this one is Verena. And I always use this. You would have seen me use it in a number of videos on my lips because I really like how this pink color looks. This is the first pink I ever see take my lips or take my complexion so nicely. So yeah. So guys, yeah, so thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and viewing my videos. Leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the videos with your friends and family. And yeah. So guys, I'm out of it. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye.